Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and the overall Web3 market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. I'm Web3 Spud, and today we're going to go through a few news stories, a bit of the market, and then as always, guys, make sure you drop some comments and we'll go through some altcoins, some meme coins, whatever you'd like to go through today. But first off, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also turn those channel notifications on, guys, because you will not miss out on another video coming to you throughout this week. We have some interesting guests coming on later in the week. So guys, make sure to turn that channel notifications on. But without further ado, let's head over to the first news story of today, guys, which is an interesting one. Let's head over here. So the Bitcoin ETFs absorbed 2 months of mining supply in a single week. The first week of June saw over 2 months worth of mining supply absorbed by the Bitcoin ETFs as a new flood of buying hit the market. So in the first week of June, the US spot Bitcoin ETF hoovered up approximately 2 months worth of the cryptocurrency mining supply, with inflows totaling around 1.83 billion. So according to the Hold 15 Capital, the 11 US Bitcoin spot ETFs purchased 25,729 Bitcoin between June 3rd and the 7th, significantly outpacing the 3,150 new Bitcoin mined during the same period. This is super bullish there. So look, there was how many? There was 3,150 Bitcoin mined during that period, and they scooped up 25,729. This is crazy. Let me know in the chat. Would you like 25,000 Bitcoin? Let's have a quick look at the chat. Who have we got here as well? We've got Rainier, Block Pro, Hola. How are we doing? We've got Christian, Hyle. We've got Kieran here as well. Good to see all you guys. We've got Nuno, Harry Adams. We got some chads here, guys. I see a lot of familiar faces and some new ones. So good to see all of you. Thanks for dropping in, guys. Make sure to press subscribe, hit that like button, and also, guys, drop some suggestions of what you'd like to go through, and we will go through those as well. And we've got James as well. James, always good to see you, my man. But yeah, let's read a little bit further down this story here. So the Bitcoin acquired that week was nearly as much as the total amount of Bitcoin that the ETFs bought up in May, which was 29,592 Bitcoin. This means the opening week of June marked the most substantial week of buying since mid-March. Since their January launch, the 11 ETFs have seen 15.69 billion in net inflows, countering the 17.93 billion in net outflows from Grayscale's fund, with a total AUM of around 61 billion. Crazy numbers here. So the biggest week on record for the Bitcoin ETF remains its 6th week in trading, when 44,376 Bitcoin were absorbed by the Bitcoin ETFs here. So look, is Bitcoin stuck? On the 5th of June, Bitcoin reached a local high of 71,000 amid inflows into US Bitcoin ETFs. This was the first time it had surpassed 71,000 since the 21st of May. Despite the surge, Bitcoin has struggled to break its current high and remains in the channel, which has now lasted over 100 days. And it's an interesting one. I was speaking with the CSE community today. We were talking about, Bitcoin all-time high, but really, are we at an all-time high when since 2021? The last all-time high, we've had serious inflation of, roughly between 5 and 10% yearly. So in dollar value, are we at an all-time high? Not particularly, in my opinion. There. So moreover, CoinShares reported that trading volumes for exchange-traded products soared to 12.8 billion in the first week of June, a 55% increase from the previous week. So yeah, let me know what you think about this, guys. I'm surprised that all this, the ETF hype is actually really gaining more momentum into June. I think that's bullish personally. I think this is the calm before the storm, if we can call it that. If you can call, 25,000 Bitcoin in less than 4 or 5 days calm. But yeah, let's see. We've got James saying the reason why the price of Bitcoin is stuck is being shorted by hedge funds. Yeah. We've got Noel here. Where's it heading? Where's Bitcoin heading right now? It's a strange one for me. I had the theory that summer was going to cool off. Perhaps we see lows down to 50,000, but Bitcoin doesn't look to be holding up right now. I think how it's ranging, and like James mentioned there, lots of shorts coming in from the hedge funds. I think we range for the rest of the summer, and then when that changes, I think September, October, November, December are going to be really lucrative months for us. It's going to be super busy. But as always, guys, not financial advice. This is just my opinions. on the current market, and they do change daily. So you'll catch me on a stream next week and I could be saying something completely different. But this is, what we have to do in this industry. We have to stay informed. We have to stay with our feet to the ground, and going through all these bits here. We've got Stock of a Coin saying, "Where's Chippy going?" We've also got some McGregor fans in the house right now as well. So guys, I will be going through altcoins and meme coins, so keep them in the chat, keep them coming, and I will go through those towards the end of the stream today, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. I want to see some more likes on here, guys, and then we will go through some altcoins. Let me just hide that one now. Brilliant. Okay, so let's head over to the next news story of today, which is regarding Trump. So Bitcoin to hit 150K if Trump wins. What do the technicals say? So let's go a little bit further down here. As analyst at the international banking institution Standard Chartered has predicted that Bitcoin could rally up to 150,000 if Donald Trump, the former United States president and current presidential candidate, emerges victorious in the upcoming elections. In a report by The Block covered on 6th of June by crypto saving expert Jeffrey Kendrick, Standard Chartered's head of Forex and digital asset research, said Bitcoin could hit 100,000 before the election scheduled for early November, setting the pace for the pump to 150,000 when Trump wins. I think Bitcoin's heading that way regardless of elections. Something to keep an eye on though is currently Bitcoin halving, has stayed true with the year, the 4-yearly election cycle. So is it Bitcoin halving? Is it the US elections? Who knows? Is it just a coincidence? Let me know in the chat, guys. What have we got going in the chat? We've got Alan saying Chads. We've also got Pokebert here. Pokebert, good to see you, my man. We've got Deck as well. Big up the spud. Love to see it, Deck. Thanks for joining, guys. But look, US politics and crypto. The US government is known for its anti-crypto stance, although it has softened recently as seen in the approval of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded funds. Kendrick said the Biden administration was pragmatic in approving spot Ethereum ETFs. However, the US president's recent actions show that Trump is still more crypto friendly. I tend to find though, whoever's not in charge at the moment is going to be more friendly because they realize that's the popular narrative. They want to get the next generation's votes. They want to get the forward-thinking, business-minded people voting, and that's what you've got to do. We see it in the UK as well. They give you a little bit. Who was it? It was Graham Hancock. A few years ago, all of a sudden was big on crypto, coming to all these conferences and events. And is it just a popularity rally? I think so. It's quite it's easy to say when you're not in power, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna allow crypto. We're gonna do new ETFs and it's gonna be regulated and we're all gonna make lots of money together. And then when they come into power, they go, oh yes, no, look, things have changed, and they use use cases of scams, etc., to say this is why we're not doing it, etc. So it's a hard one to tell. It looks like the US is going more crypto friendly, but however, is this all for votes? It's hard to tell. Let me know what you guys think in the chat, guys. So we've got Biden's anti-crypto stance has been further enforced by SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who has waged level war against multiple crypto firms in the US. Yeah, we all know Gary's on a warpath here. At the time of writing, the agency had ongoing lawsuits against Binance, Coinbase, and Ripple, and had served Wells notices to Uniswap and Robinhood, informing them of impending enforcement actions. So Trump, on the other hand, has embraced crypto more gracefully, despite initially being skeptical about the novel sector. The former US president now holds over 10 million in cryptocurrencies. So yeah, look, several meme coins, including MAGA Trump and Baby Trump, have been launched by communities inspired by Trump-related humor. Interestingly, the US presidential candidate is reportedly exploring using Bitcoin to solve the country's worsening debt issues. So let's have a look where this link goes to. Follow me. Okay, so no, this was another story, but let's head over to the next story of today, which is regarding Trump and meme coins. Following on from the previous article there. So Trump-based meme coins pump on conviction update. So Trump-based meme coins have had an excellent past 24 hours, with many posting double-digit gains as Trump prepares for a virtual meeting with his probation officer. So, according to a report from the BBC, Trump's appearance before the probation officer is part of his sentencing in the New York hush money case, making him the first U.S. president and the first Republican candidate to be in indicated in the country. In the meeting, Trump will participate alongside his lawyer and appear from Mar-a-Lago, a resort and National Historic Landmark in Palm Beach, Florida. The probation officer will draft a pre-sentencing report for justice who will decide the billionaire's future. So let me know, guys, do you think Trump is going to get sent down with this? What will some of the meme coins be coming out if he does get sentenced? Will it be a free Trump situation? But look, we can go down here. The rise of Trump meme coins. So in tandem with the latest news, the price of Trump-focused meme coins has increased significantly over the last 24 hours. So look, here we go. We've got Super Trump, rose 31% in the past 24 hours, with its trading volume hitting 7 million. The digital assets market cap is 56 million, and the token reached a 24-hour high of 0.0244. Super Trump has increased 616% in the last 30 days, and the team donates the proceeds of its buy-sell tax to Donald Trump's crypto wallet. So yeah, Donald Trump has a crypto wallet on Ethereum. People are sending him tokens. A lot of people are using it as kind of a method to burn. It'll be interesting to see if Donald Trump is actually moving these tokens around. If he's selling it, what he's doing, or is it really a burn wallet? It was funny, in years gone by when Vitalik from Ethereum was sent loads of tokens. People thought that was a burn address, and then Vitalik actually went and gave those tokens out, and then it caused the price to absolutely to tank. But it was a good marketing stunt. So yeah, we can see down here we've got MAGA Trump has increased 8% in the past 24 hours. What's volume is currently 5.6, significantly down to its recent high of 56 million. And the coin actively donates to veterans and child trafficking. King Trump, King T, I know a lot of you will be holders in the chat here. It's currently high flying among Trump meme coins with its 24-hour gain of 95%. The coin's market cap currently stands at 516,000, around 20% of its all-time high of 650,000. And their team has eyes on making Trump the first king of America. So guys, let's have a quick look at some meme coins. I can see some in the chat. We'll go through those. Let's head over to Dex Tools, and let's have a quick look at King T, which was just mentioned there on the article. Wait for this to load, guys. So we got all hail King Trump. Decent volume today, 260k volume. Liquidity 72k and a market cap just shy of 500k, but volatility has been quite crazy on here. If you're looking to swing trade, definitely some good opportunities for you there, but hopefully let's have a quick look through the order book. Some sales coming in today, but overall quite a green day, up from down here at around 300k market cap, so that's good to see. I'd like to see King Trump really push on for onto 1 million there. So we've got AI Smith. King T has had a wild day, bullish. Yeah, volume's good. It's going to bring some new eyes. Some people have got some good entries. Some people have got burn, I'm sure. But that is the art of meme coins. Let's have a look through the chat here, and I cannot miss this, guys. We have got McGregor. Let's have a quick look at McGregor. I've got to say, some of the loudest community on Twitter right now has been the McGregor fans. Much like McGregor's real fans in real life. Perhaps they're all Irish and they're singing to their heart's content. But you can't not go on Twitter right now and not see the McGregor community absolutely going nuts. So we've got a market cap here of 260k. Low volume for today, but it's just been a nice day trickling along here. Chart looks good. Some people have had decent entries in the last few days, around 120, so already up a 2x there. And we've had, let's have a look where all-time highs were on McGregor here, just around 300k, I believe. So yeah, look, we've got strong resistance at 300k. I would like us to I would like McGregor to push through that. We've hit it again here today. But I do think, with the narrative of UFC 303 coming up, McGregor fighting Chandler, that's going to be all over the space. Crypto, MMA fans, they go hand in hand. So yeah, I'd like to see some more volume here. And like I say, the community is some of the loudest, much louder than what you would expect for you know, a $250,000 market cap. So the McGregor fans have been absolutely killing it. I can see you guys all going in the comments. Look, if there's a meme coin where you want community, McGregor's got it, because these guys are going nuts. Look at all the comments here. Well done, guys. You guys are smashing it right now. We got Alex Edwards. Let's go, McGregor. Lots of McGregor fans in here. And look, we got Harry saying we're ready to enter new territory. And yeah, Degens and MMA goes hand in hand. I much agree. And with meme coin plays right now and celebrity meme coins, I think this is the you know, the next step. So not financial advice, guys, but look, I can just tell you from what I see from the chart, some nice kind of price action here, and hopefully we can McGregor can push on to some decent highs here and break all-time high of that resistance of 300k. But guys, let's head over to, you know, what the title of the video was. I'm sure you've seen all the celebrity coins been going on. We touched upon that last week, but this weekend Andrew Tate was going doing what Andrew Tate does. He's a master at marketing. Love him, hate him, whatever side you stand on. I'd like to think, you know, Andrew Tate is not quite bear with me here, guys. I've just there we go. I've just let me just hide that comment. But yeah, Andrew Tate, hate him or love him, you know, he's not quite a celebrity. I think he's more on the crypto side, even though in the past he's hated on crypto. Although, you know, I imagine he's probably made the majority of his funds through cryptocurrency. I know he's got, you know, the Real World, Hustlers University, all of that. But I imagine a lot of his income has been through cryptocurrency. But you know, we can't deny what he's been doing for the crypto space. It's funny to watch, and he's a, you know, master marketer. He's very good at rounding the troops and just going crazy with it. There's an article here which I will show you quickly. So Andrew Tate burns 38 million worth of Solana meme coin tokens and vows to crash the network. So look, he burned over 587 million tokens of a newly launched Solana meme coin. In a series of provocative tweets, former kickboxer and internet celebrity Andrew Tate has ignited yet another crypto controversy via a massive burn in the Solana ecosystem. Tate revealed that he had burned $11 million worth of new Solana meme coin Top G, sending the tokens to the Soul Incinerator. This dramatic move caused the price of the Top G coin to skyrocket by over 130%, pushing its market cap to over 65 million. So crazy, yeah. You burn 11 million and then it, you know, pushes by 130% all the way up to 65 million. So the Top G meme coin's official Twitter account praised Tate for burning 58% of the coin supply, leaving only 37% in circulation. Moreover, the account suggested that the drastic reduction in supply was a strategic move by Tate aimed at boosting the coin's value. They celebrated the decision with a declaration, "Now we cook." Very Web3 here. So Andrew Tate's Solana meme coin burn saga. So let's see what else he burned here. So in one tweet, Tate proclaimed, "I will crash the Solana network." He further stirred the pot by stating, "Look what I can do. Top G is going to burn it all." Tate's tweets quickly went viral, adding fuel to the already intense debate with the crypto space. So look, if we go back over to his Twitter here, you can see the kind of engagement he gets with his tweets. So 2.5 million, he released that yesterday. And let's have a quick
fire. The whole world is talking. What coin's next? Is Real Nigger Tate gonna keep going up? These screenshots, 400,000, 500,000, $2 million profit. And then some guy sends me a message. Hello, sir. I'm in Maybelline, sir. You changed my life, sir. I make $200,000, sir. I'm like, what is your name inside of the school? What's your name inside of the real world? Tell me what your name is. I'm not inside of your school. I don't have a credit card. Some kid with no credit card has made $200,000. He's gonna be living in the most lavish village in India or Bangladesh, wherever he is. Jagtar, fucking dick shit, is sitting over there with more money than you. And how did he do it? He did it with a shit internet connection on a cheap Android phone because he's faster than you. He acts when you don't act. And you're sitting in the first world country, you're sitting here with all...
What he's doing right here, he's trying to evoke some emotion, especially in probably people that aren't in the space. Look, he's saying, oh, some guy on the other side of the world who lives in a shack and only has poor internet connection on a phone has just made 200K. He's trying to appeal to especially people that aren't in the space, comers, retail. Is it good for the space? Perhaps. Will they get burnt? Likely. So is it really good for the space? Is this another call for the top? It's never that good when you see all these celebrities come to the space, because they're the ones who really attract the retail. So right now it means that retail is coming in, and the focus isn't on layer ones, layer twos, real world assets. Right now it is on meme coins. And as you know, it is hard unless you're in a community like a lot of us are, or in the space, have experience. It's hard to generate profit through meme coins unless you are lucky. So will these people that are joining get burnt? Will it be good? Overall, I still can't make my mind up. I like the chaos. I like the hype. I like the news. It gives a bit of excitement to the space. But will it, perhaps short term, it's good right now. We can see by the views on here and all the comments, everyone's hyped for meme coins right now. But yeah, it's difficult. We got Abandoned Baby saying, if you snooze, you lose, brokey. So yeah, I do think crypto Twitter is going to be it's very Andrew Tate orientated right now. Let's have a quick look through a few more of his tweets, see what else we can see as well. He's getting people to donate here. So this is his Ethereum and Solana. Should we donate some Chippy? Only kidding. TMG would not support giving Chippy to Andrew Tate, guys. But yeah, let's have a look at what's in that wallet, shall we? Let's have a look at the Solana one here. Bear with me, guys. I will pull this onto SoulScan for you, and let's have a look what is in the wallet going on. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so there's 646. So people are sending stable coins as well. We've got RNT. Maybe he's been giving it out actually, because this seems a little bit low to what I was expecting. Got some random ones here as well. Oh, so someone has actually sold fish and chips. I was checking that is the right wallet. Someone actually, Tate actually owns fish and chips, guys. Tate owns Chippy. He's got $17 of Chippy. If that was any of you in the chat, let me know, guys. Did you send that in quickly? Who sent him the fish and chips there? That is pretty funny that on stream we've seen that Andrew Tate owns fish and chips, guys. Let's have a look at balance changes or transfers rather. Yeah, we've got people sending in pudgy penguins. Yeah, lots of small transactions as well. Portfolio here, look. Oh. Yeah, lots of Andrew Tate coins. So like we were saying with Donald Trump, in today, throughout the weekend, you're going to see lots of Andrew Tate coins as well. That's going to be the narrative for a little bit. I think Tate will probably keep this up. Will it be good for the community? I'm not sure yet, guys. Let me know. But guys, thank you for today's stream. I will be going live also tomorrow. We do have the newsletter, and as you can see by the banner that is going underneath right now, if you're wanting to join the #1 Discord, where you will find the best info, best education, and traders alike. Like even today, there was a premium lounge held by not even the team or the experts, a few of the traders together, and they meet up and talk about trading, go through things, and the alpha that you can learn from not only the experts but the other traders is unreal. So if you're looking to join, it's only we've got a 10% discount going right now, which is CSC 10, guys. So it'd be awesome to see you. But yeah, thank you all for joining the stream today. It's been a really fun one. We will be going live again tomorrow and throughout the week, and I have some cool guests lined up throughout the week as well. So it'd be good to see you guys, and thank you very much. Let's go. Woo!